My dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are staying safe at home. In our previous class, we started a new lesson, Natural Resources of India. This lesson you don't have to study for exam, but we need to understand the content. We studied two natural resources, water and soil. What is a natural resource? Things that we get from nature that are of use to us are called natural resources. Today let's discuss about other natural resource, minerals and fuels. Minerals are the materials that we get from the rocks in the earth's crust. Rocks that contain minerals are called ores. Ores are collected from the earth's crust and undergo several processes to obtain the pure form of mineral. Iron ore is an important mineral from which we get the metal iron. Iron is used to make steel, which has many uses in industries. India has the second largest reserve of manganese in the world. Manganese is used in the manufacture of iron and steel and insecticides and paints. Then bauxite is the ore of the metal aluminium. Aluminium is lightweight and does not rust. It is used in aeroplanes, bridges and utensils. Some of the other metals found in India are copper, zinc, gold and silver. The next is fuels. Fuels are materials that are burned to produce heat and energy. This energy is used for heating and to run machines. Example for fuels are coal and petroleum. Coal is the main energy source in India. It is used to generate electricity and also used for cooking. Coal is formed from the remains of plants that died hundreds of millions of years ago. Jharkhand has the largest coal reserves in India. The next is petroleum. It is also an important source of energy in India. It is used to generate electricity and also to run vehicles. Petroleum is found in the Mumbai coast in Assam, coastal Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Petroleum and coal are the resources that will not last for long time. So we need to use them more carefully. That's all about minerals and fuels. Hope you all have understood. Read the textbook very well. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.